Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is t to power 4 minus 4 to power t. This is equal to 17. So what is the value of t? Solution from here, we have that t is greater than 0. So we can express t to power 4 as t to power 2 raised to power 2, subtract 4 to power t, which we can express as 2 to power 2 raised to power t. This is equal to 17. Now, you find that 2 to power 2 raised to power t, this essentially is in the form of a to power n raised to power m, which we can express as a to power m raised to power n. So applying this exponent property, then here we have t to power t, that is t to power 2 raised to power 2, subtract 2 to power t squared. This is equal to 17. Now applying this exponent property, then you find that here we have t to power 2 squared minus 2 to power t squared. This is equal to 17. The next step from here, we let x to be equal to t to power 2. And now we let y to be equal to 2 to power t. So that now here, this is the same thing as x squared minus y squared. This is equal to 17. So this is actually the difference of two squares, which we can express as x plus y, x minus y. This is equal to 17. So we note here that x plus y is greater than x minus y. So this condition owns that x plus y is greater than x minus y. And therefore, we have that x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 17. So let's get the prime factors of 17, of this 17 here. So that now here we have 17 times 1, and also we have 1 times 17. Now we have that x plus y is greater than x minus y. So this implies that the first condition satisfies the equation, but the second one does not satisfy the condition. So this implies that we only have case 1. We only have case 1. So let's solve this case 1. Now we'll have x plus y, x minus y. This is equal to 17 times 1. So this implies that here we have x plus y. This is equal to 17. And we have that x minus y. This is equal to 1. Now, these are two systems of linear equations. And the next step is to add these two systems of linear equations. So that we have x plus x. This is 2x. And then we'll have y plus minus y. This simplifies. And then this will be equal to 17 plus 1, which is 18. So let's divide here by 2, so that now the value of x is equal to 9. This is equal to 9. So since we have the value of x, we can solve for the value of y. Okay, let's substitute the value of x in the first equation here, so that we'll have 9 plus y. This is equal to 17. So this implies that the value of y will be equal to 17 subtract 9. So this implies that the value of y is equal to 8. So we have the value of, now we have that x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 8. Now, if you recall here, we insist that let x be equal to t to power 2 and y be equal to 2 to power t. So from here, let's substitute the value of x so that we have t to power 2. This is equal to 9. So this is the same thing as t to power t. T to power 2, this is the same thing as 3 to power 2. So here we have t to power 2 times a half. This is equal to 3 to power 2 times a half, which is the same thing as the square root. So in this case, we have that t is equal to 3. T is equal to 3. Now let's confirm with y. With the case of y here, we have that y is equal to 8. So we have 2 to power t. This is equal to 8. But now we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. Substituting this, we'll have 2 to power t. This is equal to 2 to power 3. Given that the bases are common here, that is a to power n is equal to a to power m. Since the bases are common, then the exponent n will be equal to m. That is n will be equal to m. So now applying this property, then here we'll have t will be equal to 3. So we have confirmed that the value of t is equal to 3. So the next step is to verify. So let's verify here. Let's verify. Now, if you recall, we entered t to power 4 subtract 4 to power t. This should give us a value of 17. Now, given that t is equal to 3, this is the same thing as 3 to power 4 subtract 4 to power 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 17. So 3 to power 4 here, this is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And this essentially, 3 times 3 here is 9, 3 times 3 here is 9. So 9 times 9, this is the same thing as 81. So now, the next step here, we'll have 81 subtract 4 to power 3. Now, 4 to power 3, this is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4, this is 16. 16 times 4, this is equal to 64. So this implies that here we have 81 minus 64. This is supposed to give us a value of 17. So 81 minus 64, this is 17, which is equal to 17. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of t, which is equal to 3, satisfies the equation. The value of t, which is equal to 3, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Follow these steps. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.